Hey folks, today is, and I don't know why I always forget, Wednesday, April 24th. It is actually 3:53 p.m., so the market has not yet closed, but will shortly. So on the S&P, you can just take a look here. This is kind of what I wanted to see. We're up to that upper line, but now we're starting to go sideways to down slightly. I think that's going to be good. It's exactly what I want to see. If we can't blast over it, we should just go sideways underneath it. Um, The Nasdaq is just going sideways as well, though it is quite a ways up there. I think it's, as of right now, it's still below the all-time high there. And then the Dow kind of doing the same thing. It's really the S&P that we want to follow, and it's doing pretty much what I would want to see. The Russell's green, which is good because it's kind of been consolidating for a while, and to see it climb a bit, that's actually pretty good. So the S&P is looking pretty good. I don't mind it going sideways. That's kind of what I want to see if we can't blast over the high there. Just taking a look at the list. Netflix had some news today, or a news bit, I guess you could say. It's a survey that somebody did that says that they could lose some subscribers to Disney whenever Disney launches their streaming service, which kind of makes sense. I don't think it really affects Netflix right now, but it was down on the day. But the volume was extremely low. This, I checked it earlier, it was only about 80% of its average daily volume, which is quite low. So the participation on this downside move it's just low. I wouldn't be too concerned about it. And technically it looks completely fine to start consolidating a little bit, going sideways to down. No big deal on Netflix. Although, let me go back to it. If we see another downside day, that's a problem. So we got to wait and see what happens tomorrow, but as of right now, it looks like it's just starting to flag, which is perfectly fine. Trade desk, I don't know what this thing is doing anymore. Sold back down under the line. Looks kind of weak to me if it can't break over there and keep going. Now, again, this report's after the close, so be careful. Still within the pattern. We'll have to wait and see what the earnings tell us. LULU, still kind of trying to make its way higher. Volume's not bad today either on LULU. AYX, whoa, look at that volume. Nice volume, wow. And breaking out of the pattern. If it can close there, that's going to be really good. That's a nice buy right there. Nice move. Although, let's see, when is its earnings? May 1st. Okay, that's not bad. There's YETI. That's nice. Look at that. Starting to climb up to the upper line. Very good. Etsy. Still within the pattern. Not bad. ZS. Just came out of the pattern a bit. Might have to adjust the line. I have to see where it closes, and then we'll look at it later. I think I'd probably adjust that line again just to see, because the volume isn't very low. I wouldn't call this any kind of an attempted breakout or anything. Just no volume there. CHGG, very light volume. Coming up to the upper line of the ascending triangle. That's pretty good. DOMO attempted to go, was sent right back in, and volume was big. Ooh, that's kind of a failed breakout. Have to see what it does the next couple days and see if it can make its way out. Ooh, Tesla, okay. Down today, earnings after the close. Falling wedge. Let's see what the earnings tell us. Jinko Solar. Not bad. I mean, don't want to see a bar like that really, but we'll see what it does. Volume was pretty good yesterday. Yeah, it's kind of a bit of a worry, I guess, seeing a bar like that show up. Xilinx, earnings after the close. I already posted on StockTwits once to get out of there because you never know what the earnings are going to tell you. Have to see what the earnings do. Shopify was down a bit. 21-day line is holding it up. That's not too bad. So for me, let me just talk a little bit about trade management. If I was in from the break of the line, that's where my stop would be, at the break of the line. Until it forms a new pattern. There's a bit of a, maybe like a pennant right in here. Not really, but to have it go a little bit longer sideways, consolidate a bit more would be great. That's kind of what you want to see. Because it needs a new base to move off of, and then another new base to move off of. That's perfect behavior. It's the 21-day line is holding it up, so give it some time. But yeah, my stop would be right there, and I would let it fluctuate all it wants to. And if it wants to stop me out, then I'm going to get out at break even. Just means the trade didn't work, but you still don't lose that much, or you lose nothing. Just the commission, you know. Match sent down a bit, only down 24 cents though. I don't like these bars. These are topping tails. These are called topping tails. Doesn't necessarily mean it's suddenly going to sell off or that this is the ultimate top, but it does mean it needs a bit of rest. I can imagine that would be okay based on a day like that showing up. So yeah, some sideways action on match would be a good thing to see. Fortinet, okay, it came down and bounced off the line here, and now it's moving back up, but is now having some issues getting over the 21-day line. That's I mean, it's okay for now, but that's kind of a worry that it can't get momentum or keep momentum. Wait and see. FANG, okay, this is starting to slow down at the 200-day. It might flag. I mean, I mentioned the other day to get out of this because, you know, the oils may not trend that long. If it starts to flag, that'd be good. And if some of the geopolitical oil talk continues, then maybe it'll have a chance to keep going. I would still get out, I think. I would still get out. And then I don't even know why I'm still looking at this, but look at how bad that thing tanked. That'll probably exit my list after today. But yeah, so Netflix pulling back like that on very low volume, to me, that's not really a big worry right now. Have to wait and see what it does tomorrow. But yeah, so that's it. Next video will be tomorrow, and I'll see you then.